So this is the first order list item and this is the second order list item. Now here comes the question where we need to place our ng repeat directive and how to make the nomenclature of it. In the first case, where we wish to repeat our country names, in that particular case, this is the first order list, it will be the first order list. So here we need to mention this ng repeat and we will be mentioning about the country name that we have created. So in that particular case, we are naming it as country in. So what will be used as the convenient name of country? We can see that this is the variable countries which is stored against our country. So this is the model name which is practically been created here. So in the first case, we need to copy this name and we are mentioning that the name our countries which was provided in the prior case into the custom script.js, from now on it will be regarded as country. And what are we doing here? We are mentioning that we are interested into the country name which we are about to execute into our first order list item. So that is why I have provided this country name. All it is going to do, this individual expression, it is practically going to fetch the name of the countries that I have provided right over here. So press Ctrl S in the first place. Now if we head back to our project and reload, we can see that all the country names are right now being displayed into our HTML page while the ordered list is not working. It won't because we haven't customized the ordered list yet. We haven't built anything yet. So that is why the ordered list section is currently not being displayed. But the main thing is the name of the nations are so far being displayed right over here properly. Now the real challenge begins what to do in case of if we wish to execute all the corresponding city names within their respective countries. In that particular case, we need to use the ng repeat once again here and we will be now naming it as what? In the first order list item, we had named the main parent list as the country. So that is why we will be using it as the country here. Sorry, this is not the country name, this is the country here. We have named our list element as country. This is the name of the mother list element. So this is exactly what we are about to use right over here. And next, what we are intending to show in this second order ordered list, it is the city names. So that is why we will be copying these city names from here. This is the attribute name that we are about to copy from here. and in this index.html we will be placing it. So what is it exactly doing? It is practically fetching all the co-relevant city names from all these values from here, and they are inserting it into the co-relevant country names. So if we now press Ctrl S and if we now head back to our project and reload, so far we won't be seeing anything right over here because we haven't used any expression yet. So we need to create that expression here, and what we are about to write inside these curly brackets, it is the same city name that we had created into this second order list elements. Now if we press Ctrl S and if we now head back to our project and reload, now we can see that the corresponding city names are right now being displayed against their co-relevant country names. This is India, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, and all of them are in a proper and sequential manner safe inside an ordered list. The same thing repeats for USA and the same thing repeats for United Kingdom. So this is the trick that we need to understand. We have practically created the first order list name, which is the main list name here, and we had made usage of the same list name in case of mentioning the city names into this individual second order element, and we have renamed it as city, and we have used the same as an expression in displaying our project into our HTML template. And here comes the obvious result. So this is how we are practically able to create any list element into our project and displaying it into HTML browser, whether it is a first order one or whether it is the second order one. The method goes the same. The only thing that differs is the trick that you need to implement in time. So hope you guys have liked this tutorial. If you guys have liked this tutorial, then do not hesitate to hit that red subscribe button down below. Hope to see you guys in our next tutorial. Till then, bye.